What's going on YouTube? Emma here, and today I'm reviewing the Orren Ellis Thilebrook height adjustable L-shaped gaming desk. Let's get right into it. Before we get started, I can see that a high percentage of you haven't subscribed, so please hit that subscribe button and help me hit my goal of 1K subs before the end of 2021. Let's start with how the assembly process went for this desk. As you can see, there are many screws, nuts, and bolts that come with this desk. The desk came in so many parts, and the assembly manual is super long. As you can see, this one gives you the option of doing left or right, and if you want to add a lower part to the desk. But as you can see, there are a lot of parts that you have to assemble together. Overall, the manual is super long and confusing, but you'll get the hang of it as you keep going. The assembly took around 9 hours for me and another individual. If you use a drill set, that'll help the process go much smoother. But I actually ended up with an extra piece somehow. There was some confusion with the manual, but this piece did not fit anywhere from my understanding. So as you can see, an identical piece fits on this side of the desk, but it's certainly too long and not centered on this side. It could fit right here, but there's no screw holes and there's nothing in the manual that indicates that this is where it goes. So I would recommend using a drill set for this assembly and expecting it to still take a few hours, so just staying focused and patient is a good way to go about it. Overall, the build quality of this desk is pretty decent. Everything is wood except for the legs, which are metal. The texture is pretty nice, and I certainly like the overall color and aesthetic of the desk. As you can see, I have it set up where I have my computer over here, my monitor, and my keyboard and mouse, with certainly enough room to have my elbows on the desk. I have a microphone, just a little plant, my headphones that I use regularly, and just a few other decorations with my iPad, and a little space right here if I want to just, read a book or do some other stuff like that. The measurements on the website seem to be pretty accurate, with it being 29.5 inches on this side, 71 inches this way, with a 19.5 and 29.5 extra portion here. The lowest the desk goes is around 28 inches and 47 at its highest. The controls are pretty simple, up and down, and this is how you program which locations each of these ones are. So I have one at my sitting height and 2 at my standing height. For perspective, I'm around 6'1", and this is how I look using it at the highest standing position. Each leg has its own mechanism with a cable connected to this power brick, and I have everything connected to one singular cable so that I have it all cable managed. Now, I believe I bought this desk from Wayfair for around $1,400 including tax, but it's on sale there right now for $15.59 Canadian. Overall, this desk is really nice and has certainly helped me through online school. Just, being able to stand up after long sitting sessions is definitely good for your spine, and just being able to be a little bit more active instead of sitting down for 8 hours every day. But that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in a later video. Peace.